And that's the end product. Of my food. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's all things Africa. Nana here, your kissy queen, your kissy babe, aka errand girl, aka concierge service girl, and aka virtual assistant. That is me doing more of your personal shopping, doing your errands, of course, at a fee. And I've been telling you guys that the good thing with me, I am very, very affordable. If you want to know more about my details, just see on my bio below. There's everything. There's my number, there's my email, so that you request or you contact me of my services, guys. So I told you this week we are doing purely cooking videos. And the meal of today is pilau, simple beef pilau. I am making it my way. Remember, guys, I've been telling you that cooking is like an art. Yes. Okay, let me remove something I wanted to put also. Yeah, cooking is like an art. It's you playing around with your recipes, or not recipes, with your more so your ingredients. So I've told you that we are doing beef pilau and onions. These are 2 big onions. When I'm saying let us be putting here, guys, you know how I love my onions. Love them to be golden brown. Of course, we need onions, and after onions we need beef. We need beef, and this beef ni nyama ya ng'ombe, guys. I cannot take siwezi kula nyama ya mbuzi. And of course we need rice. Of course we need garlic. These are 5 cloves of garlic. You need to crush them, or you can even blend them. And then we need, this is cinnamon sticks. This is optional. I told you also, when you cook, it depends on how you want your food to taste. So we need cinnamon sticks or cinnamon powder, whichever that you have. Of course we need pilau masala, because you are making beef pilau. We need pilau masala. We need onion powder. This is optional. And we need black pepper. Also, this is optional. We need curry powder. Also, this is optional. So I told you how you make your food. We need tomato paste. You know me how I make my I love tomato paste. It's a sachet, so that najua natumia ngapi. And then also we need Maggi cubes. Remember, this is my way. You can choose not to put Maggi cubes and curry powder and put the rest. But today I just feel like doing that. So this is all that we need, guys. You've noticed that I really love Nature's Own company. This is not, I'm not sponsoring them. I just share with you which kind of spices I love. The company, the brand. I love Nature's Own. It's something that I love using it very much. So these are the spices that we are using. Martons is a new brand. I've never used it. This is my first time using it, guys. So this is curry powder. And then I hope you've seen everything. So watch out to one. Let's first thing first. We need to make our onions to be golden brown or translucent. How you love. So we'll give it like 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. So there they are. Our onions have already turned into golden brown. So the time we put our I love saying our, guys. I think you already used. We put meat. We've already boiled the meat, guys. My meat, it's a 1/4 kg, because this is a meal for one. Don't need kununua mingi. This is my second meal. And then we start putting our our spices. That is onion powder. This is pilau masala. Me imagine nupima na macho. This is black pepper. Black pepper is just a piece. That is like a teaspoon. And then this is curry powder. And then this is our garlic. We put our Maggi cubes, and then after all that we put tomato paste, all of it. Okay guys, I hope mnaona hiyo light ijasumbua. And then we mix. After mixing, because I'm using this for rice, so 1 cup of this, and then put 2 of water. We make sure we mix, we do the mixation. Tumefanya mixation guys. Then we put water and let me tell you, pilau yangu leo iko na viazi. I forgot telling you that I have potatoes. We put our potatoes hapo ndani, and then tunaweka maji. Look, I have not cut my potatoes into halves because I want it to be likiiva ikuwe sawa. Then tunapima maji yetu, and then we start cooking. We cover it. I'll show you guys. This is the broth that remained when we were boiling our meat. We put 2 of this. So 2 of this is equivalent to 1 cup of rice. But before we put our rice, I don't wash my rice. Before we put the rice, cover it for it to boil. Then we will be back shortly. Let's give it like 5 minutes, 10 minutes give or take. This is a 1-pot meal. Very good for people who live alone. Yeah. So I'll put the ingredients on what I've used there in the description. There, it has boiled. This is our rice. We put 1 of this, and then we stir. Then after stirring, we cover again. You know, rice normally takes like 25 minutes give or take. We cover it, and then tunapunguza moto. Sana moto iko mingi, sasa ndo tunapunguza hii moto. Yes. Then you see it's coming up, Tunapunguza moto, and then we cover it again for like 25 minutes. And then we're going to, of course we're going to cover with foil paper, so that ndo ive vizuri guys. So we stir it. And then we cover it with foil paper, because we are not using, that's another alternative, so that it ive vizuri. Let us give it 25 minutes, and then we'll be back. We'll be back to, before your 25 minutes, we'll be back, and then we stir it. So I hope you love this video. Give it a like, share, and subscribe. And guys, let me remind you, because I know I love reminding you, always put your post notification bell on, which is on the left side. So when I post a video, it reminds you. And make sure you like my videos. It's recommended to other YouTube watchers. And make sure that you watch my videos from the start up to the end without skipping the ads, guys. So I told you my main goal right now is buying another phone, because I normally use my phone to edit videos, and apparently my phone is 4 years old. So when phones are 4 years old, they get old also. They become slow, they hang and all that, guys. So support my channel by watching my videos. As we're waiting, I told you this week we are doing cooking videos, and you see I've already made my kachumbari. That's how I make my kachumbari. My hands are very clean. So here there are 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, and vinegar. That's how I make my kachumbari. Sijatengeneza pilipili ya kukaanga. So let's wait for the food to get ready. So we have to stir it. Me love stirring it so that tujue nini tunafanya, so that ndo kila kitu ikuwe even. You know, the bad thing with this thing, if you don't stir it, everything will be on top.
Good. I'll see you Tuesday. That's enough.
Let me cover it again. Give it time for it to be ready. Our rice is ready. Ready to be eaten. It is ready. Ebo, let me just. Okay, me, I love potatoes. No, it's supposed to be wet like this. It's quite dry, Pierce. And this, I really love this habanero hot chili sauce. And guys, that is our food. Mona, that is our food. Let us taste it. Niwaambie sasa. Wakati wa kuonja. So I really love potatoes on my nini. Imagine me, I really enjoy my food. I know even you guys, you've really enjoyed my cooking videos. So sasa nimeamua ndawachafua na cooking videos. The spices are really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, share, and subscribe. And oh guys, I can also come at your home. I cook for you, you pay me. It's really nice. Let me enjoy off camera. So I hope you love this video. Give it a like, share, and subscribe, and comment on the comment section which kind of meal you want me to make, and I will make. Nimewambia I am doing cooking videos by fire, by force. I hope mngekuwa to try, but I know hapo kwa video you'll see the way this food is really amazing. It was cooked with love, and I really do enjoy my food. So bye, see you in the next video. Bye.